Welcome back. Now in this video, we'll learn about one more new feature about the Power BI which has been introduced in 2023, which is Customize Pane Switcher option. Customize Pane. If you go to the View tab, these are the different panes. This is known as Show Panes. Now normally we have to go to this window, to this particular group in the View tab to enable and disable these options over here. Now that's a Data tab, Format, Bookmarks, Sync Slicers, and so on. Currently, now in the new version of Microsoft Power BI, we have this plus sign on the right hand side which is available. Here, if I click on this plus sign, Customize Pane Switcher is the name of the option here. And you can see those same tabs which are available over here. Let's say the Data tab is available here. Then we have the Format tab available in this Format place. Then the Bookmarks would be available here. So all those tabs are available on the right hand side. So here, anytime if you want to enable or disable the option, you can just select this enable option, and so on. So now you need to be an expert to understand the name of this icon. So if I close this option right now, you need to be an expert or experienced person to understand that this belongs to the Data tab. This is what you call as the Format tab. This one stands for the Performance Analyzer, Bookmarks, Sync Slicers, and the Selection window. So this is a small window right now. In the earlier versions of Power BI, we used to have multiple tabs available on these places. So it used to make a lot of crowd over here and giving lesser space to create the report and visuals over here. Now in the newer version, we can just click on Data tab, Format tab, Performance Analyzer or the Bookmarks. So it is not adding some few options over here. It is replacing the existing window, the tab over here. At any point of time, if you think this window is not required, it is not useful right now, so you can go back to this Customize Pane Switcher and you can disable those options whichever are not required. The Data tab and the Format tab will be regularly required, but the other tabs, if you see, these are only required when actually work comes. So you can minimize this. So these are the most two important, which is the Data tab and the Format option. The other option, which is the Filter window, it is given separately. It is not a part of this option right now. Filters will be something which will be available and visible to the end users. Suppose if I'm sharing this report with my client or the end user or the client will be able to see this filters window if I give the permissions. When I say if I give the permissions, in this place, if you see the filters, if I enable this, only the person can see this window. Also on the right hand side, when I maximize this option, I have an option to hide this option from the end user. So the person cannot interact. They cannot change the report because they have this option disabled from here. Also, if you want to disable, you can definitely hide the option or disable from this particular View tab. So coming back to the point over here, this is the Customize Pane Switcher, the new option, which is helping the end users to view the tabs whenever required. In fact, for the developers as well. So I hope you have understood the Customize Pane Switcher option in Power BI, and that's all for this video.